Hi, this is Wesley Dodson down here at Central Kentucky Classic Cars, and today we have a 1972 Chevrolet C10 step-side truck, and we're going to take a look at it. We do offer shipping, and financing is available on any vehicle that we have for sale. You can give us a call at 859-621-5572 or go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. We're going to take a look at this 1972 Chevrolet C10. Right here, absolutely gorgeous truck. I love the wheels and tires on it. Absolutely gorgeous on there. Really nice and clean truck here. It's got a cow hood, I like that. Brand new wheels and tires, brand new, we just put them on. Show you the passenger side of the interior here. All the interior is in excellent shape. Love the steering wheel. It's got a tack in the dash. That's really nice. All the seats are in excellent condition. Shut the door here. We'll take a look inside of the bed. All of the inside of the bed is finished in excellent, beautiful condition. Wood grain inside the bed on the step side. Really sweet. Really looks good. All the tailgates in great shape. Love the Chevrolet there. Really looks good. He's going to start it up for us. We'll see how it sounds. Sounds good. Said all the inside of the bed's in excellent condition. All the gauges look good. Cut it off there. We'll take a look underneath the hood. Doors shut easy. Like I said, this truck's powered by a 350, power steering and power disc brakes. It's got vintage air on the truck. Just a really nice little Chevrolet truck here. Really clean underneath that hood. Really looks good. Shut the hood here. Take one more quick look at the 1972 Chevrolet C10. If you have questions on this truck, you can give us a call at 859-621-5572 or go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. All right, we're going to take this beautiful truck here on a test drive and see how it does. All right, we're going to take this 1972 Chevrolet C10 for a test drive and see how it does. All right. Beautiful day here in Kentucky. Perfect day to be driving classic cars. Which I think every day is a good day to be driving classic cars. I'm not sure. I'll show you the gauges working here. Turn the turn signals on for sure. There's that one. Turn the other one on. There's that one. All working great. All right, here we go. runs and drives great, shifts through all the gears the right way. Just an awesome little truck. Be a great truck just to get in and enjoy. We're going to ease back here. And like I do every time as we go around the corner here, I'm going to have George get on it just a little bit, and we'll see what this truck is made of. He's going to fire on it when we go around the corner here. Got a couple cars coming, and then we'll be ready to go. All right, get on it just a little bit there, George. Truck does excellent, has great power, just a great running, driving truck. Something everybody can get in and just enjoy. We are almost back here. If you have questions on this truck, don't forget to call us, 859-621-5572, or go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe on our page. All right, we are back, and we are going to show you what it looks like underneath. All right, here's the underneath.